Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by identifying exactly which controller you have and why that matters. Series XS and newer use USB-C, Bluetooth, or the Xbox wireless adapter. Once done, make sure your PC runs Windows 10/11 and has Bluetooth 4.0 or a free USB port. Plug in a high-quality USB cable or insert fresh batteries so pairing won't drop. You'll save time by updating firmware via the Xbox Accessories app before moving on, because updated firmware fixes pairing bugs. Now you choose a method based on hardware. For wired, plug the cable. Windows auto-installs drivers and you're ready quickly. For the Xbox wireless adapter, plug it into a USB port, press the adapter's sync button, then hold your controller's pair button. Lights will steady when paired. For Bluetooth, open Windows Bluetooth settings, press and hold the controller's pair button until the light blinks, then select the controller name. Make sure to wait for the confirmation sound or steady LED before testing input. Complete the setup by testing the controller in Game Bar, Steam, or Windows game controllers to confirm buttons and sticks respond. Once connected, open the Xbox Accessories app to update firmware, remap buttons, and save profiles. This improves stability and compatibility. If you run into issues, power cycle the controller and PC, try a different USB cable or port, and reinstall the Xbox driver from Device Manager. As a key troubleshooting tip, using the official Xbox wireless adapter often.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.